Beautiful spring tissue flowers can be made in any size or color and match any decorating scheme. They're easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need colored tissue paper, including yellow, 2 round things to trace around. I've got something that's 3.5 inches across for the petals and 1.25 inch across for the centers, a pencil, a green pipe cleaner, and scissors. I'll be using 2 colors of tissue paper for this flower. We want 5 layers, so I've got 3 purple and 2 pink, and then I'm going to trace around my larger circle and cut out all of the layers at once. Keep all the layers evenly together and fold them in half 3 times. To make a smaller flower, you can trace around the same object and then cut just about a 1/2 inch inside the lines. Cut a half circle in the open end of your triangle to make a petal shape. Unfold the petals and separate the layers. Now we'll cut out the center. You want about 4 layers for the center, and you're going to trace around your smaller item and cut it out. Hold the layers together and fold the circle in half once. Now cut a shallow fringe all the way around the open end of the circle. Don't cut too far in. Unfold the tissue and separate the layers. Bend the very end of a green pipe cleaner down just 2 or 3 coils as tight as you can, and bend it to a 90-degree angle. Now we'll assemble the flower. Start with the center pieces, poke a hole through the pipe cleaner, and bring the tissue up to the coil. Scrunch it as you go along. Scrunch each layer so that it has some body, and then scrunch it all again at the very end. Now add your petals. I'm going to do the pink ones first and do the same thing. Bring it all the way up the pipe cleaner and give it a good scrunch as you go. This is an important step so that your flower isn't flat and has some texture. Continue with all of the petals. Arrange the petals so that they are staggered. Crunch everything up one last time. Fluff it out and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new craft videos every week.